Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I'm Andre, and I thought it would be fun to do something a little different. I've got these egg roll wrappers, and I've got some leftover brisket. Let's put the two together. If you guys have watched any of my other leftover videos, you guys know that I like using the leftover brisket in different ways, and I just thought this would be a fun way to do it. Just a little bit of prep here. We're going to jump right into that and get these going. From the sense of the actual egg roll itself, we are going to keep it pretty traditional. So we've got some celery here. We're going to just cut these into about 2 to 3 inch pieces and then strip them. So it's like that. Nice and thin. Next, some carrot. Next, we're going to do some cabbage. And since I had them, I have some spring onions. You don't have to put them in, but I had them, so chop them up a little bit. Got this. Let's show you here. Looks fantastic. Now all we're going to do is saute these off really quick just to get them all soft, because we don't want them in the egg roll like that because it'd be crunchy unless you like them like that. But we're going to saute them off and then let them cool down and then move to filling. I'm going to just take the brisket and I've been thinking about how to do this good, but what I'm going to do is take this and dice it down nice and small, because I want that brisket all the way through when it's mixed into the cooked veggies. Okay, this is cooled down sufficiently. Now we're going to add the brisket. I don't know if I'm going to add all of it. Let's try that. Look at that. You could probably just eat that the way it is. Oh, I can't wait. And let's put this to the side and get wrapping these things. So the wrappers, honestly, just buy the wrappers. I need a lot of work in the dough area, which is something I'm learning, but it takes time. And for something like this that you don't do all the time, just go buy them. They work great. So we're only going to take a few out because the rest we're going to... So here we go. So basically what you're going to do, have it like this. This is always the fun part, trying to figure out exactly how much you're going to actually put in. I know you could probably weigh it to get them all exact, but we're not doing that. Maybe I filled this one a little too full. Oh well. And what we're going to do, I got a little bit of flour and water. Just put it on here. Roll that up. There we go. The thing is, you want to keep them fairly uniform too, so that when you deep fry them, they're all going to be done at the same time, kind of. And remember, I'm not a professional at this. Nice, keep it nice and tight. There we go. They look decent. I'm just gonna finish these off, see how many I can get, and then we're gonna deep fry them. Okay, there we go. They're all done. Used up most of that, which is good. And I'm gonna just push these to the side and get the pot with the. We're not using oil today. I never use oil. We're going to be using tallow again, and I'll put the link up there somewhere to make it, and I love using it. And let's get it set up. We're going, got it all set up. I'm ready to go. I've got my plate with paper towel, thermometer. We're going to just take the temperature because we're trying to get it up to 350, 360, somewhere in there. A problem with deep frying is if you put it in and the oil's too cold, the product will get really soggy because you want it to really sear off. Searing's not the right word, but you really want it to close off the outside so it doesn't absorb too much oil. We're at almost 200 Fahrenheit, so we're getting there. And I did want to say about the shirt, VNR Photography, that is me. I also do photography on the side. So you can look me up on Instagram. I'll put the link below, but it's vnr.photography, just if you're interested. Okay, people, we are there. And let's get this show on the road. Just put this away because we don't need you anymore. We're only going to put a few in at a time. You don't want to put too many in at once because you're going to cool the oil too much. There we go. They're puffing up. They're getting those little bubbles that you normally see. And the nice thing about this filling, the filling's basically all cooked, so we don't actually have to heat. We're just heating the middle, the insides through. So once these guys get the right color, they're going to be done. They look good. So anyways, I'm going to keep making these, get them all done, and then we're going to come back and taste them. I'm excited. Look at those. They look awesome. I'm going to take one of the cooler ones. And I'm going to show you guys up close. Look at that. That looks awesome. Okay, that's pretty awesome. That smoky flavor just goes so well with those other ingredients. That is awesome. And now I just have like a sweet chili sauce here. You can use that traditional plum sauce or make your own. So let's just that sweet chili sauce with that brisket in that egg roll, that is wicked. This is something you gotta try. Now that is a total winner. Your guests would love those. Go and try that. Takes a little bit of prep, but you know, once you get your rhythm going, you can roll these up real fast. Do it yourself. It's fun. You know what's in it. Use that tallow. It's healthier for you than all that other seed oil. Fantastic. Do it, do it, do it. You know what? Use any other leftovers you want, but brisket just adds that whole smoky flavor to it. Love it. Guys, Guys, thanks for watching. Show some support. Hit that like, subscribe. Leave me some comments. If you think of anything else I could make with the leftover brisket, leave your thoughts below, and I'll see what I can do. Like always, happy eating.